Hey, good morning. I wanted to breeze through a quick example. I recorded myself speaking about a presentation, and I wanted to transcribe it with timestamps. So I just asked Perplexity, what's the easiest way to transcribe 10 minutes of audio with timestamps? It said, use Google Colab with Whisper AI. Install necessary dependencies. So I just opened up a Colab notebook. Let's call it Whisper test. I've never actually done this before, so I'm going to see how this goes. So this is going to use Python to install this Whisper GitHub repository, and also going to do this FFmpeg, which I know is good for handling media, audio, and video and stuff like that. So while it does that, I'm going to paste in my recording. Ensure files are saved elsewhere. So I think that basically the data is not going to stay in this notebook after I use it. Okay, so looks like this is done. So now I'm going to do new code, and Perplexity just said, whisper your audio file model small. So copy that. I'm going to paste that. I'm going to just copy the path to this, probably inside the quote. And let's see what it does. I'm hoping this does it with timestamps, and then I want to use it. I'm making a presentation, so I wanted to see kind of where I was long, where I was short. Just leave that for now. I might push pause on this and let it run, and I'll show you what happens. So it detected English. I think it's definitely doing stuff here. I had this little pop-up here. So this is, again, a 25-minute recording, so it should take a bit of time, but this popped up here. Enable browser notifications in settings to get alerts when execution is complete. Allow. Okay, look at this. So, hey, good morning, everybody. My name is Jesse Lawrence. I really debated long and hard whether or not the best way to open this was to get everyone excited, and woke up was to say boom drones or boom statistics. It's working. So I'm going to check back on this a little bit. Yeah, so it's just plugging along doing this. It's not the fastest. The free resources with Google Colab says I'm running about 2.7 gigabytes of RAM and 31 gigabytes of disk space here. It's been going along. I don't know. I've been running this for maybe 5 minutes now, so it's going to take a little bit of while, but it's free. I'll just copy that in the end and make some notes on the speech and kind of timing and stuff like that. So pretty cool and easy way to have a very high quality transcription for free. All you need to do is ask Perplexity and get a little bit of code and run it in a free Google Colab notebook. So, A for AI.